This is the first time to fly. Yeah, I have no people. There we go, guys. Here it is. Here is the drones and the remote control.
What are you doing?
Hi guys, and now we're going to the park. Here you go. What you do, RJ, in the park? You want to play? RJ, you want to play soccer? And we first ever fly drones. We're going to fly the drones, guys, first time.
There's nobody at the park.
Yeah,
The park is packed.
and long time stuck in the house. Tree. We go far away. There's the mountain.
Picked a good spot.
It's so empty.
Yep.
I see no one on the field. They're only at the cars.
Where's the people? Just this thing, guys, the drone. I hope it's working. This is the first time to fly. Yeah, I have no people. Look at that, guys. Yeah, I have no people here. I can fly. Okay, guys, let's go. They say have no people at that. And super clean. Look at. No, we go to the middle, honey. I have no tree, honey. They're in the middle. What? There he is, RJ. Here is the helipad. We just make helipad, guys. Yan, our helipad, guys. Here's RJ. Hey, well, be careful, RJ.
Okay, here we are.
Here's Daddy. Need to fly the drone. There we go. The park is empty. No other hub there. The mountain view. There's the tower.
Right there is the shadow.
There's the shadow of Daddy.
From this side. There you go. There's
There
the
he is.
landing point.
There's RJ so far away. RJ. You like soccer, RJ? Okay, we sit up now, ano? Yabayag. Yabayag. There's RJ, it's 48.
You lock the door?
Yeah.
Good.
Here's RJ. It's so hot, RJ.
Boy soccer.
It's open.
I'm gonna try to go all the way to the other goal.
No.
Look.
There it is.
Let's put my glasses there.
Now, I put here.
I'm wasted.
Like that. Get this off of here. This goes right there. Tail should be up by us. Oh, you didn't take this off.
Okay, there you go. There. Just put this plane.
So I can move.
Okay, that's good.
There it is, Mavic Mini. With the remote controller with an iPhone in it.
How this now?
Should be straightforward. Fly, connect the aircraft and fly. Go fly. Hello.
It's RJ. He's sitting now, guys. DJI up.
It's very hard to see this with the sunlight.
Not yet here, honey.
Okay, turn around. For the second time in a month.
Oh, there you go. There he is. He's moving now.
Get out of the way, RJ.
RJ, no there.
Gonna connect the aircraft.
No, the seatings. There is.
Searching for aircraft. Account not logged in. SD card space available. There you go.
There you go. We first fly, guys.
Hold on, don't go anywhere. That's really stable. It's not too loud. Okay, go straight up.
Turn around. Yay! I'm here. Turn around.
Look at all the shadows. It's a lot more stable than that helicopter, huh?
Yeah, you see yours.
Move closer.
Hey, RJ, see you. Where are you, RJ? Here inside.
You know, I can't even see it in here. Oh, there it is.
Go home.
Go home is going to go up to 100 feet and then come down. Going up. Stick up. It's cool. Yeah, push stick down, RJ. Come here. This one.
What?
Pretty nice, huh? Smooth.
Yeah, you turn, honey.
Hey,
Turn around. There you go.
I want to see the camera, what it looks like.
Is Ollie in there? How come we're not in there?
I want to see this camera.
You got a circle.
Yep.
Yeah, there's the camera. Now we're in there, right?
How'd you find
There we
it?
are.
Yep.
Why
Yeah. First time ever fly,
how
RJ.
did we fly up the space? It's gonna land in the grass.
None in the grass.
It's coming. There it comes.
Into the grass. The
All right,
hell-
so we got to check on the GPS.
grass. That's all I see.
Yep, there is. Yay, we here.
I see mosquitoes in the camera.
Mosquito. Mosquito
Can you
in
like
the camera.
move the camera?
No, don't do that. Oh.
Hi guys, and now RJ is controlling the camera again. There's the Mavic mini drone. Right here. There's mommy and daddy. Daddy's struggling.
Camera.
So I was just sitting there
Control.
in this tree. And this is where my hole, this is my hole.
He's sitting for you.
Hi guys. Hi.
That.
Hi guys. Before you fly,
We're hitting and doon. Doon, oh.
I'm overheating.
Ang helipad.
I'm an
It's
overheating drone.
Ready?
Here you go.
Ready to turn on?
Okay, let's turn on again.
No, no, no,
There you go.
Mommy's got to control it.
Arjo, take video, Arjo. What?
Why go on the triangle brass?
Okay, mommy is the operator, Arjo.
Okay, we're back. The 208er super drone. I cannot even see it. Look at that yellow dot.
Okay, let's do something else.
In real life, you can see it better. It's a super drone. You know what? Help me!
Where is RJ?
This is only my pants, okay? Not my shirt.
Okay, see it?
Yo, drone.
Wait, turn.
Was a tracing drone.
Here he is, landing. He's landing. He's landing. Ah! There you go, landing. Okay guys, that's it for today guys. The first ever fly the drone Mavic Mini. Just testing guys, little bit.
Experiment. Maybe we'll try it.
Experiment only. If we know how to
Next week.
fly or not. There you go, RJ. We go home now. Here he is. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang guys. Uwi na kami. Guys, that's it for today guys. And see you next time. Bye bye.